Hey, good afternoon, Riley from McNaught, and today I've got a great heavy-duty work truck that we took in on trade here. This is our 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali. Now the Denali is special. You've got so many amazing options in here, from the parking sensors to the heated and cooled seats. You've got that bold Denali front grille, and you've also got HD headlights, LED running lights, and fog lamps. But we're going to go over all of that right away. Starting off with the powertrain, there's a 6.6 liter under the hood. That's a diesel engine. Duramax is what they call it. And you've got the Allison 6-speed transmission. Really legendary engine transmission combo here. Plenty of power for towing and really reliable. These things last decades. Now the wheels themselves are 20 inch, I should say, chrome clad wheels here. Beautiful Denali wheels, and look at these tires, basically brand new all season tires here on the Denali. Now on the side you've got the Denali branded mud flaps, you've got the 6-inch side assist steps, and the heavy duty trailer mirrors with your turn signal indicators located on them. As we head around to the back end, once again, take a look at these wheels. All 4 of the wheels are in mint condition. There's no scratches whatsoever on this vehicle, and you've got just over 78,000 kilometers on it as of this recording. So pretty reasonable here for these diesel trucks. They definitely run into the 500,000 kilometer mark. You've got the parking sensors in the back here, the rear bumper step. You've got an easy lift and lower tailgate that's not going to slam when you open it up, as well as your Denali branded spray-on box liner. Now take a look. The trailer hitch in the back here is ready to go for that heavy-duty trailering package. You've also got the slots here for the gooseneck hitch in the back, so you could definitely haul a 5th wheel trailer or whatever else you want. Once again, great condition for the wheels. Z71 off-road package, so you've got the off-road suspension on here. And of course, last but not least, you do have remote start in this truck. Now inside the Sierra Denali, you've got the black leather interior. Look at this, Denali embroidered onto the seats, French stitching, perforated leather, heated and cooled option for the front passengers, as well as your fully power adjustable with lumbar support. You've got the Denali badging on the sill plate, Denali on the steering wheel. You've got your trailer brake controller, automatic 4x4 controls here. You've got your headlight and brightness switch, as well as driver's memory seat, 1 touch-down windows, power folding side view mirrors here for those heavy duty mirrors, and once again, Bose premium audio in this truck. You got to come down, take a listen to that sound system. It's absolutely incredible. Now some of the features you have inside the Denali here include your heated steering wheel, forward collision alert. You've also got cruise control on the left hand side, your hands-free call button on the right, as well as your 5-point command center, which is going to control that digital screen that you have right here between the tachometer and speedometer. Now let's take a look at your 8-inch infotainment system, which includes Sirius XM radio. You've got a CD player, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and full navigation right from the get-go. You've also got traffic alerts on here and access to OnStar communications. So plenty of advanced features in the screen. You've also got dual zone climate controls down here, 9-way heated and ventilated seats for the ultimate comfort in your Denali truck. You've got the power adjustable footsteps, traction control, your box light, your parking sensors, your lane departure warning, hill descent assist, as well as your exhaust brake. Now what I love about these Denali trucks is the connectivity options you have here for charging your devices, USB, DC, and a full wall outlet. So you could essentially plug in your work laptop and keep that plugged in and charging while you're on the road. Wireless mat here for your iPhone 8, as well as your DC outlet and USB outlets inside the armrest itself. Now last but not least, I want to point out here on your column shifter, you've got the tow mode and manual shifting. But if you put this vehicle into reverse, you're going to have your backup camera with the trajectory lines, which are going to help you park. You've got the auto dimming rear view mirror with OnStar buttons underneath. And up on the ceiling here, you've got your garage door transmitters, your power sliding rear window, and your slide and tilt sunroof controls for that front sunroof you have here. Now inside the back seat of your crew cab Denali, you've got plenty of room back here for 3 more adult passengers. But let's say you don't have people back here, you could easily fold up these seats against the wall and they're gonna allow you to have more access to cargo space. You've got the armrest with the cup holders as well as a charge outlet and plenty of storage space in that back console. So overall, pretty impressive back seat space here in the truck. You could definitely do a longer trip with a full crew of people and you're not going to have any issues in terms of comfort. So overall, this is the quick walkthrough of our 2016 GMC Sierra Denali 2500. If you guys are interested in a heavy duty truck, we've got a couple used pre-owned units on our lot, including this one, but we've also got plenty of brand new ones. So I invite you over here to McNaught. We've got this thing parked out on the grass, so you definitely won't miss it.